Good morning, fellow and future entrepreneurs of this world. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. The high is supposed to be 86 today, which is by far the hottest day we've had all year in 2025. So looking forward to that. If you saw last video, you will know that we are on our way to host the first annual 2025 Lawn Ranger Spring event. So we're gonna have all of the team members meet up at a local pizza restaurant, and we're gonna go over just how the season is going to play out. We're on our way to Starbucks right now. We gotta finish up some slides before our presentation at 11:30. So we've got some marketing material up there on the dash and also in the back seat. We got our TV just in case if the TV that they have there doesn't work. It didn't work at our fall event either. So yeah, we brought that just in case. Needless to say, I'm looking forward to this event. Woo! Let's go, dude. That thing sounds amazing. How did I do, Ed?
This so good that my pizza sauce fell on my shirt.
Look at that.
Your shirt, actually, it's not mine, so.
It's a Lawn Ranger shirt. He's messing up.
Great job, though.
Thank you, bro.
Of course.
Thank you for your help.
Very thankful that the meeting went well, the first of the year meeting. It is currently 2 weeks from the time that the meeting has happened. I actually have not filmed practically anything in between that time. And to be quite honest with you, I really don't want to be sitting here right now. And really the only reason I am is because Ed, praise the Lord for Ed, he's my editor, and he's like, dude, we just need content, and we have to start cranking out something. I have to make a schedule. Like, I gotta build something that's gonna have some sort of entertainment. Anyway, that has nothing to do with you guys. If you have any ideas, let me know. But as of right now, I really want these clips primarily for myself and the ability to look back on this and kind of laugh at the problems that I was going through, in hopes that the problems I come across are quite a bit more substantial. Our phones are ringing off the hook. We're having problems with our CRM. I'm being inconsistent with things that I need to do and just following processes that are in place in a business to make sure things don't fall through the cracks. We're so busy, it's absolutely insane. Our website traffic is up 214% from last month. The mailers that we sent out at the beginning of the year, people are still signing up for them. It is insane. It's great. I feel like I'm failing because I'm definitely not taking full advantage of every opportunity that presents itself to me. And I say that because I myself have too much on my plate. I'm taking too much on, and every single person that walks in front of me is, yes, we will write you a quote. And we're raising our prices, you know, supply and demand, simple thing. So supply is lower, the demand is higher, it's going to be more expensive. So we're raising our prices, but you know, people are still just flooding in because of all the advertising we've done. And I've just never had this much of an influx before. So I'm struggling on retention, number one, and number two, just handling. What a great interruption. My phone died. Where were we? I've never had this much business just pouring in before. Never had it. So it's just new, and it's tough. It is. But the thing is I'm so stressed that I'm kind of just freezing. These are the times when you must take action the most. And the little steps, it's just moving the needle. Like, I'm so used to sending out 11,000 door hangers in a week and, you know, doing these massive things like all at once. But at times like this, I need to just move the needle. I just need to keep moving towards the goal of getting everybody scheduled and building a system that allows this type of influx. If I don't build a system that allows this type of influx, then I'm stuck at this size and I'll never be able to grow more. Well, yeah, that's not really gonna happen. So anyway, the pursuit for better content is always on my mind, and I am consistently working toward it. As for now, Bear with me while I get my bearings, and this is gonna be a heck of a story, hopefully. I have nothing else to say.